Okay, so today's topic is accessible tech products. The outline, what are accessible tech products? RAS Mobility, Ring, accessible apps, Audible, MediSafe, P3 Mobile, Pediatrics Hearing Aid app, Lumosity, Magnifier iOS, and Magnifier Windows Samsung. Accessible tech products. Accessible tech products are any gear, tool, gadget, or gizmo that aids in bridging gaps in a person's capacity to live the complete, independent, and meaningful life they desire. It includes a wide range of devices and systems, from screen readers to accessible mobile phones, telecare to memory aids. There are tech devices for individuals facing difficulties with vision, mobility, hearing, speaking, and more. Benefits of accessible tech products. They enable people to live healthy, fulfilling, and self-sufficient lives. They reduce reliance on other people and health systems. They can be used for home safety and security. And independence, comfort, and convenience. RAS Mobility. RAS Mobility offers assistive technology and related services directly to people with disabilities, as well as to government agencies. They do it through cutting-edge mobile solutions, including devices, applications, and software. RAS Mobility products. Mini Vision 2 cell phone. This cell phone takes care of all the basic telecommunication needs for people with vision loss. Users can make calls, send text messages, and add contacts with voice commands. The cell phone will speak everything on the screen and everything you press. It includes an SOS button and a speed dial. Other features such as alarm, calendar, and color identifier. And the price is $309. And for more information, you can click here. The memory cell phone. A cell phone for people with memory loss, dementia, Alzheimer's, or seniors who prefer a simple phone experience. It includes pictures and names for contacts, a button to call 911, RAS emergency service to avoid unwanted 911 calls, auto answer, that's optional, a large display, wireless charging, location tracking, one-touch dialing, and a long-lasting battery. And its price is $349. Ring. Ring is a home security company with the mission of creating safer neighborhoods, accessible in the US and Canada, except for Quebec. Ring products are based on the principle of using your existing home Wi-Fi network to create a ring of security around your home. There's also a past webinar on Ring, and you can click there to get more information. Ring products. Video doorbell. The video doorbell is great for people with mobility issues. It lets you see, hear, and speak to visitors through your phone and tablet from anywhere. It includes night vision, motion detection and alert, built-in rechargeable battery, work with Alexa, and a 5-minute installation time. Its price is $99. A19 Smart LED bulb. Smart light bulbs can be programmed to turn on or off at scheduled times or controlled via your smart device. You can connect them to your device and they will flash when there is activity. This is helpful for those who are deaf or hard of hearing since they can see the doorbell ringing or a call coming in. It includes adjustable brightness, indoor and outdoor, accessibility, control with Ring app, easy installation, and its price is $14.99. And it also requires the Ring Bridge and the Echo Show, and they are sold separately. You can find more information by clicking here. Accessible apps. Audible. Audible is an American online audiobook and podcast service that allows users to purchase and stream audiobooks and other forms of spoken word content. This app is great for people with vision and or mobility issues. Some benefits are access millions of books from anywhere, listen through the app and website, sit, relax, and listen. Audible has the biggest audiobooks library and is accessible for Apple and Android devices. Its price is $14.99 per month. MediSafe. MediSafe is a mobile app to get reminders to take your medication. It helps you manage and take your medication on time. It's great for people with memory loss, and the benefits include it allows your family, friends, and caregivers to aid, if you choose to, by being alerted as to whether or not you took your medication. It allows you to schedule appointment reminders, and MediSafe is free to download and use. There's also a past webinar on MediSafe, and you can watch it by clicking here. P3 Mobile. P3 Mobile is on the Go BRS, which means Video Relay Service, app that makes it easy for deaf and hard of hearing individuals to make and receive calls anywhere using a Wi-Fi or a cellular data connection. It assigns you a purple number that can be used to talk to others via a sign language interpreter, who connects with a person who can hear through a regular phone. The app is free to download for Apple and Android users. Pelatrex Hearing Aid App. Pelatrex Hearing Aid App helps to restore your sound perception to a natural level, and it includes adjustment of hearing specifics, hearing correction for each ear, adaptation to different type of environments, amplify quiet sounds without losing the overall volume, and accessibility for iOS and Android devices. It offers premium weekly, monthly, and annual subscriptions. Lumosity. Lumosity is a personalized brain training app. Lumosity consists of games designed to exercise memory, speed, flexibility, and problem solving. It includes daily exercises for your mind. Brain training adapts to your strengths and weakness. Accessibility for iOS and Android devices. And the subscription is $11.99 per month or $15.99 per year. Magnifier iOS. The Magnifier is a built-in magnifier app for Apple devices. It lets you turn in your iPhone or iPad into a magnifying glass so that you can zoom in on objects near you. When using Magnifier, you can apply color filters, save a magnified object, use the flashlight to add more light, and adjust the brightness and contrast. And here's a link to learn how to set it up. The magnifier window Samsung. Magnifier window is an accessibility setting for Samsung devices designed to help limited or low vision users who have difficulties seeing or reading what's on the screen. When this setting is enabled, you'll be provided with a magnifier window that you can use to magnify a specific area on the screen so that you can see it better. And there is also a link on how to set it up. Now we're going to go into the live demo. So I'm going to show you the website for RAS Mobility. I'm going to click on the link. So you can start by clicking home to see what they do, what the company is about, and they'll let you know about their products. If you want to know what they offer to you, you can go to solutions, and here they have smartphones. So they give you, they also sell iPhones and Samsung phones. And they have tablets too, they have iPads, and they have the latest Galaxy tablets. And here are their products. So they have the Mini Vision 2 cell phone, which we talk about, and the memory cell phone. They also have these other programs and products. We're gonna go to the Mini Vision 2 cell phone. So this is just more information on how to work with the phone, how you can connect it with T-Mobile, AT&T. Here's a more detailed description of the features for the smartphone. Here's more. I believe these are all the features that it offers. So it has a calculator, it has a calendar, it has a radio. Here's also a video you can watch, an orientation about the phone and how to use it. More specifications. So they give you the dimensions, the weight. So it weighs 0.23 pounds. Here's also a tutorial for the phone. So it has a camera too, so you can take pictures. That's for the first phone. And then for the memory cell phone, it's the same environment. So they tell you about the phone, how you can connect it to the services, to AT&T, Verizon, the price. Here it goes more in depth on how you can use the phone. Here's another video you can watch on how to use this phone. The features. So you can see how the phone has your contacts. So you have the name, you have the picture of the person, this the 911 button that we talked about. These are the features. And here are more pictures on how the phone looks like. And that's the information for those phones. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the magnifying feature on your phone. So give me a second. Okay, so in the website for from Apple, the link that you have in the presentation, it's going to give you different options on how to set it up. I'm going to go over 2 options. Also make sure you read it in depth because it's different for iPhones 8 and earlier. Okay, so I'm going to go to my system preferences. And I'm going to click on the search bar. And I'm going to look for Control Center. I'm sorry. It's here. And the first controls are the ones that you already have in the Control Center. So when you scroll down in your screen, these are the controls that you have here. So as you can see, I already have the magnifier. So if I delete it, if I remove it, it's not going to be here anymore. But if you scroll down, you're going to find it here under home. And you click the plus sign. And it's going to be here again. You can see that it's there. Another way to do it is we go back and we write magnifier. And you click on it. It's gonna take you there. So this is a shortcut. So what you can do, I already have it added. So if I take it back, if you click on magnifier, it's going to have the check sign next to it. And what this does is that if you click your home button 3 times, it's going to take you to the magnifier. So I'm going to click it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It took me to the magnifier. And then I can zoom out and I can zoom in and I can add brightness and all the other controls they have. And I have the light too. Now I can just go back. And that's it. Thank you, everyone.